What up? What up? What's up? Of course, it's me, your boy Richie Rich. We back at it, shooting another video for this Whirlpool double oven range. But you always know before we begin, we got to do this particular thing. Alright, appreciate you guys always subscribing to the channel. Again, hit the like button, share the video, hit the alert button whenever we shoot a new video to make sure that reminds you there's a new video coming out. So now we're going to focus on the actual pricing of this particular gas oven range. It's a Whirlpool unit, 6 square feet, self-cleaning, freestanding, double oven gas convection range. Alright, so right now we're at a local Best Buy. So for the price for this, you're looking at about $1,400 to $1,500, and that is without any taxes. All right, so that's what you'll pay if you go out. Just typical retail price. Again, we suggest if you can get it at a lower price, especially on the holidays, we stress for you guys to go ahead and do stuff like that. You have scratch and dent appliances that you can actually get as well. So I'm gonna show that to you. Not even show it to you. I'm gonna just tell you about it. That a family member of mine went ahead and got this particular range at a cheaper price. So hold on for that. All right, so Home Depot, you're looking at $15.99. All right, so that is the price that you'll pay for this particular range. Gas range with the convection, with the Whirlpool brand, of course, the Whirlpool brand. You're looking at about $1,500. All right, now we're going to Lowe's. Lowe's, you're looking at $14.39. There's a sale that ends at a certain particular time. You know what I mean? We're going to show you that on the video as well. So you're saving about $160. Different things that you can have. You do have payment plans that you can use. I noticed on the Lowe's website you're getting $120 that you can pay monthly. As far as Home Depot, it's $267 per month, and that's for 6 months. So we'll go also to Best Buy. Best Buy, you're looking at $60 per month, which is 24 months financing. So you can finance the particular range if you feel as though it's too high, depending on everything else that you got to factor in, credit and all that type of stuff, of course. Or you can just buy it outright for about the retail price, but we suggest that you do not do that. Again, I had a family member that actually went to purchase this particular range, and they spent $1,000 for it. They spend it at a local scratch and dent, and we want to show y'all videos like that when we take that trip and go out to a scratch and dent, just to show you the differences in the prices and what you might get if you go out and get a scratch and dent unit. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, so again, you're looking at roughly pricing about $1,500. All right, so what we add on here also is the warranty. I'm not happy with the Samsung unit. You got different warranties that you can get beyond the typical 1-year manufacturer warranty. On this one, you're only getting a 1-year manufacturer warranty. All right, parts and labor limited warranty on it. Nothing special, just a a bland warranty, bro. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm not the one that make it. If you feel as though you want to get extended warranty, you can buy that through the local store that you purchase it from, or you can always call the service provider when it goes bad, depending on you if you want to get it fixed or not. But like I said, it's about $1,500, so I know that you're going to get it fixed at least once or twice within the next 5 to 10 years. All right, so outside of that, that's it. Again, I'm your boy Richie Rich, man. Just giving you some valuable information, man. Don't forget, you help me, I help you, we help each other. Till next time, it's me, your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Report, and I am out of here. Pricing and warranty.